Well, time to hit that water. Let's see what we got. Thank you, Master Pipe Wrench. You made my job so easy today. Let's go. Well, that's about right. Oh, that mercy. So if y'all don't know me yet, I like my bag of stuff, you know? So, what are the odds of this being a thumper tube? Or is it supposed to be connected up there? Ooh, I was right, it's a thumper tube. Look at God. Man, we need you to be the last broken pipe. But if it's not, I have no problem going through the rest of the wall. See? Well. Got a thumper tube to blow off on this side. So, let's keep moving, let's keep moving. Well, she back in there. Let's go turn the water on, see what we got.